But yeah, nearly half of the American EV owners, they are now planning to switch back to gas-operated vehicles. Right?
सेंसेशनलाइज्ड है,
Sensationalized
ऐसा
कह
नहीं
सकते
है,
हैं, but
ऐसा है ही नहीं,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं है. तुम गए थे, you go to SF, you go to New York. Every time that you'll book an Uber, it'll be a Tesla. Every time you'll see so many Teslas running on the road. There's a Rivian which is not doing so well, but now Ford is coming into it, GM is coming into it. EV का बस वो lobby है. These are all lobbies where, you know, the large OEMs do not want EV to succeed because they have their large businesses. Their vested interests is in the petrol industry, which they feel कि होता रहेगा, देखेंगे. Because, you know, it's consumerism at the end of the day. Planet, देख लेंगे. Everyone has that optimism, na? But if data is true, if the climate is, you know, the temperature is rising and the, you know, it can lead to catastrophe. So, वो एक lobbies है, right? So, अब उस lobbies में these things keep happening, and which is why some of these things are also planted, you know, in terms of news about EV, right? Sensationalization of what is negative, but it's a new industry. It'll take time. You look at the times, how many times Tesla has failed
Many
in their
times,
journey.
yes.
Tesla could have died so many times, but it then became such a large company that it is now, you know, bigger than a lot of petrol OEMs put together. तो ये करना बहुत मुश्किल है. It's not easy. New industry will take time, but again, you know, so with that lobby, you got to find one lobby which is trying to solve something, support that, because, and talk about facts and data. Yes, issues are there, but if someone will solve it, then a larger problem will be solved, right? So that's the intent.